Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to handle browser dialogs or dialog pop-ups in Playwright. Okay, so the dialog pop-ups are alert, confirm, and prompt. Okay, so Playwright uses page.on event to handle these dialogs. Okay, so to show you this, I've selected tutorials point, this practice page to practice this. Okay. Okay. So this page has all three dialogues: alert, confirm, and prompt. Okay. So let us see one by one. The first one is alert. Okay. So alert comes with a simple message and OK button. Okay. So we use or they use this alert to give some simple information or warning. Okay, so usually when we submit any form, it will give us alert saying you have successfully submitted the form, something like this. Okay, so on that cases we get alerts. And the next one is confirm box. Okay, so we get confirm box is to get the user decision. Okay, it comes with two options, one is okay and another one is cancel. And the next one is the prompt box. This prompt is to get the user input. Okay, so it will ask sometimes name, sometimes age. Okay, so once you enter and click OK, it will accept the prompt. Okay, so these three are the dialog pop-ups we usually see in any web applications. Okay, so now let us see how to automate this. Okay, Playwright automatically handles the browser pop-ups. Here, automatically means we don't have to inspect the alerts. Like we don't have to right click and inspect and get the locator of OK or do anything. Okay, it automatically handles it. What we need to do is we just need to register the event. That is, as I said, page.on before performing any action that triggers the alert. Okay, so here I've already created the spec file. So the name I will give is dialog popup. Okay. So I've launched browser. Now we need to register the event. Okay. So how to do page.on, then single quote dialog. You have to write the same way. Okay. Async. So here dialog. So it will capture the message. Okay, so here if you want to print the message, console.log. So here we have to use backtick, okay, to print the message, or double quote also fine. Backtick dialog message. Okay, so dialog message I want to capture is this one, this message, hello world. Okay, to capture that I'm writing this dialog message is equal to, so this is a variable, correct? So this variable, so in JavaScript or TypeScript we'll use dollar symbol and curly braces. Inside that we'll keep variable dialog, this one, copy paste dialog dot message. Okay, so this message is a method, it stores the message, means this dialog text, it will store this text in this dialog. Okay, so to get that message we are using a method dialog.message. Now to click OK, what we need to do is await dialog dot accept, simple. Okay, so if we say dialog dot accept, it clicks on OK. Okay, so now let us inspect this alert button and perform the action. Okay, so let us inspect this. So please ignore my background noise. Okay, so here we can write a CSS selector on click show alert. Okay, so square bracket, the attribute is on click is equal to, so the attribute value is show alert. Attribute value is show alert. Okay, one element is matching, I'm copying it. So now await page dot locator. So now I'm clicking on this, click, I'm clicking on this alert box. Okay, so before that I will wait for it. Await page dot wait for selector, wait for selector. I'll wait for it, then I'll perform click action, and this block will handles the or accept the OK button. Okay, so now let me save and execute this. This is not drop down, this is dialog popups, the spec file name, dialog popups. Okay, in Playwright, first we have to register the handle. Writing this block is called registering the handle. So this will handle the pop-ups. Okay, some error. Okay, so here the error is because the spec name is wrong. Okay, so here I've given dialog instead of G. Okay, so let me rename it. It's dialog. Okay, so now let me execute this same spec file. Okay, now it is fine. Okay, one test passed. So here, as we can see, it is printing the message. The dialog message is hello world. Okay, so let me give some weight. Await page dot wait for timeout, so that we can see. Okay, so this is for alert. Okay, so let us execute and see once again. It accepted. Okay, did you notice one thing, that it actually did not click on the alert, correct? So let me run this and show you once again. Okay, now it clicked on. Okay, one test passed. Okay, I didn't notice this previous time. Okay, so now let us inspect this confirm box and click on OK first time, and second time we'll click on cancel. Okay, so now let me comment these two lines. Let me inspect this. Okay, so here we have on click. Okay, and selector hub also giving the same locator. Okay, let us copy this. First we need to, let us wait for this. I'll use the same code. because I just need to change the attribute value. So instead of show alert, it is my desk. Okay, let me execute. I hope you're understanding what I'm doing. Here on the second one, prompt, I'm trying to click on the OK button. So accept means OK. Okay, it clicked and you can see that you pressed OK. So after this, if you want, you can validate this message. Like ID is desk. So you know what you need to do to validate that. Await page dot locator ash, because this is ID. I will use expect locator to have text. The text is no, okay. First time it will be okay. So I'll copy this. You pressed OK. Okay. Okay. So now let me execute this with this assertion. I'll save. Okay, here it printed, you pressed a button. Okay, so as we can see, it printed the message. We got this message from this dialog message. Okay, so now, so instead of clicking on OK, I want to click on cancel. For that, instead of accept, I have to use dismiss. Okay, I'll copy the same line. I will comment this OK. So instead of accept, I have to say dismiss. Okay, so when it is dismiss, the message you will get is different, correct? So for that, I'll copy the same line, cancel. So the ID is same, I'll just copy the message. Okay, so here dialog.accept is to click on the OK button, and dialog.dismiss is to click on the cancel button. So now let us execute this. Okay, you can see it is passed. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to click on this, click me, and I need to enter some text. Okay, for that I'll use some if condition. In if condition, I will say if dialog type is equal to prompt, then I will say enter the text. Okay, so I will comment these lines. Okay, so now in if, I will say if dialog dot type. If dialog dot type is equal to prompt. Then what I want to do, I want to do await dialog dot accept. Here in accept I'll have to enter the text. So the text is execute script. I'll just pass execute script. Okay. Okay. Prompt spelling mistake. Okay. So now let us inspect third one. Okay, let us copy this CSS selector. Let me copy the same because I just have to change the this value, my prompt. I'll delete this line. I'll remove the comment. Okay, so here I'm waiting for the selector prompt and I'm clicking on the prompt and it is entering the value. Okay, okay. So now let me execute this. Just remember one thing, in Playwright we have to register the handle before performing any action that triggers the event or dialog pop-ups. Okay, wait for selector, something wrong. Okay, okay, I'll have to remove here. There are two double single quotes. I'll remove one. Okay, save and let me execute. Okay, here also. I'll remove this one also. Save. Let me execute again. Okay, it entered the value. Okay. So here the message is what is your name. Okay, so handling the browser pop-up or dialog pop-ups in Playwright is easy. It means it automatically handles it. We don't have to right click or inspect the elements and get the locator then click on it. Okay, so it automatically handles means we just need to write this piece of code and it will handle it. Just to click on OK, we need to say dot accept, and to cancel, we have to say dot dismiss. And to enter the value, first we need to get the type. When it is prompt, which is equal to prompt, then say dot accept and enter the value you want to enter. Okay. Okay. So if you think you learned something from this video, please help me by clicking on the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video.